Welcome to this Yoga Nidra for stress relief. My name is Lucy and I will be your guide today. Please make yourself comfortable by lying down in a relaxing position. Then close your eyes. We will now do 3 physiological sighs. This means breathing in through your nose to about 3/4 full, then breathing in again to completely fill your lungs. Then sigh out of your mouth. Breathe in to 3/4, breathe in again, and sigh out through the mouth. Breathe in to 3/4, breathe in again, sigh out through the mouth. Breathe in to 3/4, breathe in again, sigh out through the mouth. Now repeat this sankalpa, or one you choose yourself, 3 times in your mind. I cultivate calm in my mind and body. I cultivate calm in my mind and body. I cultivate calm in my mind and body. We will now begin the body scan, bringing all your attention to the tip of your tongue, the root of your tongue, inside your right cheek, inside your left cheek, your nose, your right ear, the curves and crevices of your right ear, your right ear listening, your right eye, your left ear, the curves and crevices of your left ear, your left ear listening, your left eye, the center of your forehead, center of your throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, right waist, right hip, knee, ankle, foot, back to the center of the throat. Left shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, left waist, left hip, knee, ankle, foot. Now take all your attention to your feet. As you breathe in, let your attention wash up your body to the crown of your head. As you breathe out, let your attention wash down your body to your feet. Breathing in, washing your attention up your body. Breathing out, washing your attention down your body. Washing the stress out of your body with every breath you take. Bring a feeling of tension to your body. How does tension feel in your body? Now, bring a feeling of release to your body. How does it feel to release your body? Bring the feeling of tension back to your body. How does the tension feel? Now, bring back the feeling of release. How does release feel? Bring your attention backwards and forwards from tension to release, release to tension. Now, feel both tension and release at the same time. Bringing your attention to the center of your forehead, visualize these things in turn. A soft feather drifting on the breeze. A babbling brook. A horse galloping across a grassy field. A dormouse snuggled in its nest. Now, become aware of your whole body. Feel your whole body as a complete entity. Dissolve into awareness. You are everything. Everything is you. Repeat your Sankalpa 3 times. I cultivate calm in my mind and body. I cultivate calm in my mind and body. I cultivate calm in my mind and body. Repeating our physiological sighs. Breathe in to 3/4. Breathe in again and sigh out through the mouth. Breathe in to 3/4. Breathe in again. Sigh out through the mouth. Breathe in to 3/4. Breathe in again. Sigh out through the mouth. Bringing your attention to your fingers and toes, gently bringing movement into them. Rock your head from side to side. Stretch out your body, then turn to the side into a fetal position. Thank you for practicing this Yoga Nidra. Please take your feeling of calm and relaxation back into the world with you. As a token of gratitude for the work put into this video, please like it and comment to share your experience. To practice with me again, please subscribe to my channel and explore the other Yoga Nidras I have created. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be peaceful, and may you be free. Namaste.